fire pit next time.
I know.
Those fake ones.
Hey, we have one.
Oh, there we go.
Pull it out. Keep going, keep going. Go, go, go. Send it. Keep going. That's it. Yes.
Good job, Megan. Good, ladies. Los cambios, también podemos poner, la podemos poner a ella. Ya.
So, on a ball like that, what do you want me to do? Send it in?
You can take one you want to take.
Okay, when I try. And then if
Come on, Caliente! Push it up, ball! Yes, Kayla!
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, that is a segment. The tire is from. Just playing in front of the D. Like Chelsea and Megan.
where's the point of that?
Te van a poner defensa.
Yo no quiero.
Kyla's still playing D, that's right.
I'll restart, okay?
I feel like I start to get my momentum again.
Go, Sophie! Go, Sophie!
Yeah, see Grace, see Grace.
Just one of you, just one of you.
Now use it. Good pressure, Grace. Let's see if we can get it to Chelsea.
Come on, come on! Handball! Come on, man!
Take the shot. Go back, go back, go back. Make it, make it. Oh my God,
Come on, Chels!
shoot it, Charles.
Go, go, go!
What is happening up there? It's so low.
It's seemingly sunrise or sunset or whatever.
I feel like it's senior citizen.
Yes, Sophie! Yes, Sophie!
Get a touch.
Good job, Sophie!
Good job. Good job. Stop with that, Corey. Good job. Go! Go!
Yes, Chelsea!
Good job, Chels!
Yeah.
Mark up! Ahora la tenemos que meter. Tú no la quieres meter, la primera. O la quieres pegar a
you, Corey. Nope, that's Grace. Oh, that's out.
It's still low.
That went out. Use it, Grace.
This cam again?
Yeah. Touch. Come on, Laura. No.
Get the ball!
What'd you do? Face planted. Good job, Kyla. On the ground. Doing what? My own feet? Did you get that video? But when I landed, I didn't have all the time off my head. You hurt her. Come on, Corey. Come on, go. You have to get her. Is she okay? Yeah.
Don't be behind. Go let her walk in, lady. What's up?
Nice. Oh, no. Okay. Unlucky, Virgo. It's all right.
Get her back. Go good, Virgo. We'll get her back. Good job, Tom.
And we have a video and everything.
Go, go.
Good job, Corey.
I love that all the seniors saw me do that.
Oh, bro.
It's okay, I guarantee none of them are going to. It's anything like my senior sunrise was. Sunset, sorry. Yeah, they're saying it better than their sister. Everyone at mine was drinking.
Oh, you
I was
will?
driving, so I couldn't. Because I was like, well, I think everyone. Of course I did. Ended up driving like 30 people out. Yeah.
Come back, Caliente.
And I had a bum ass boyfriend. And I invited. Ruined it. It was okay. Set it off.
Touch it, Sophie. Touch it.
They ruin everything. They
They
really do.
They really do.
Like you're just sitting at home and you're
Go,
holding
Tara.
Stay on it. Come on, Grace.
You don't even gotta say anything.
Yeah, I'm like,
Tiempo. Llévatela, ya.
have it, Grace.
Así, perfecto. Lo mismo.
Nice shot, Gracie.
Te la quitas y tiras.
Next one, Grace. Good try.
Caliente, ball. You look good. Oh,
But I don't mind the change.
Yeah.
I don't mind playing it. I really don't know. So they're coming out and everyone was actually going for the ball, so I just ended up but,
Wait for them to pass it.
Excellent, so. Yeah, support that, please. You gotta be quicker. Yeah, great. Settle down. Where the three of them?
They're first. Well done. Good job, Morgan.
Yes.
Great ball. You got this, Grace.
Support her, support her, support
Someone
her.
help her. Yes. Come on. Hey. Unlucky. Good try. Come on, Josh. Score. Good run, Grace.
Please tell me you didn't get the part.
You're like Lightning McQueen.
I might have.
Please tell me you did.
And left the camera there for a little bit because I got distracted. But it's okay.
So you did catch. Please.
They don't even believe it.
But still, whoever's watching that video is gonna be.
And the one watching the video is Jackie, and she has so many blackmails. You should have seen yesterday. I zoomed in on that one.
What happened yesterday?
She fell on nothing. It was so bad. So if you ever need blackmail to her not posting it, just use her own.
Okay, lovely.
Yes.
Why is it so cold?
Maybe you shouldn't have worn shorts.
Okay, but like I thought I was gonna tan, and then the sun went away. The sun went
8:30
away.
p.m.
It was hot, and now it's not. I'm regretting life right now.
It's okay. It can't be that much longer.
It's only been 12 minutes.
12?
12 minutes.
It feels like it's been forever.
I know. I feel like it's been like 20. We keep forgetting about this. I give up.
It's right.
Good shot.
Oh man.
Good job, Virgo.
So, if we went up there, do you think they would know we went to their school?
You went to there?
No.
Wait, what?
But like, it's not like they would know that we didn't go to their school. If we go up and be like, hey, where's the food at?
True.
Exactly. We could be like,
I want free food. I could just say I did online. How are they gonna know? How are they
we
gonna know?
could just be like, well, we were ghosts.
yeah, I actually was a trans.
I've been here since grade 10.
I just
Maybe a
live-
little longer.
I just live in the shadows.
Actually.
Ah, it's okay, ladies. So, ¿cuándo vamos? ¿Por qué vamos a hacer ustedes?
We shouldn't be shit.
Bro, I literally had a free lane and I kicked it out.
Girls, it's not that good.
Look wide, Josh. There you go.
Oh. Yeah.
Nice try, nice try.
That's okay.
Come on, first level.
It's nothing crazy.
Yes, sir.
Good job, Sam.
It is kind of chilly.
Bro.
Well,
All the seniors saw me eat shit, didn't they?
No.
Yeah.
No, on
Yeah.
everything they didn't, because they were like doing something over there, so no one was actually watching.
I swear.
And plus, you're on this side, they didn't see.
They're on a
That
hill.
was such a foul.
Was it?
Yes.
I thought I fully tripped on the ball.
No, like she came from behind and she got you, and then,
Oh.
and then everyone was like, "Is she okay?" Because you just laid there, and I was like, "Oh my god, what happened?"
I was embarrassed. I didn't want to
Like,
get
she
back
couldn't
up.
get up.
I didn't want to
And
get back up.
then everyone knew was like, "Oh my god!" And I was like, "I think she's fine."
I was fine.
And then Jackie was like, "Nah, she just needs a minute."
Because it's true. I was like, what the fuck?
Just happened.
I was like, that's the most embarrassing thing I've ever done in my life.
Okay, but at least you didn't fall on nothing. She came from behind. Yesterday, Jackie was running, and I was zooming in because I was like, she's gonna fall right now. She hit the back of her foot and down she went. But see, yours looked like it was a foul, and it was.
Did it?
So
Okay.
no one would be like, oh, she fell on her own self because it
Okay.
was a foul.
Okay, lovely.
Less embarrassing.
Okay. I fully just thought I kind of just
Oh
tripped
my
on the ball.
No, the ball wasn't even near you. She
Oh.
came from behind because you kicked it. And she went and hit your foot. It's too cold for this.
It's like a cold humidity on the air.
Exactly. It was just hot, like, I can't do this.
The girl, their left back, was
Which
like,
one?
she's like, she has like that really short ponytail.
Oh, she has like black
Leave
hair.
her alone,
Yeah.
guys.
She was like, she's like, oh my gosh, like my senior class did nothing like this. She's like, what did your senior class do? I was like,
I'm not a senior.
I'm not a senior.
I'm
Yes.
still in the middle. It's a grade 11.
Lavanda.
It's like, I just finished grade 11 like today.
Go, 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 go.
Actually, same. I finished today.
Yes, Sarah.
What's your? Did you guys go against Bishop McNally or no? That's because Bishop McNally actually sucks. Oh, that would make sense.
And now we're Div 1.
Ooh,
Because we won league, but then we didn't win the banner.
yeah.
Because like it was like the start season, so you know how it like league play was then finalized, but then they decided to play playoffs.
Oh, yeah. What school do you go to? Oh, yeah.
Kind of helps when you have a good keeper. And
Actually,
then she starts them like
that would make sense. So you guys got a goated team. At the school, there was like 3 people that actually knew how to play. I didn't join the team all the time. 3 people that actually knew how to play.
You ready? Okay, let's go.
Go get yourself a goal. Yes, hey.
Where's the ball?
Good job, Grace.
Hold up.
Who's with her? Who's with her? You gotta help someone to get here.
Get back, Grace. Pull back, pull back. Yes.
Nice. Good job, lady. Good job.
Good try.
Good idea.
You're saving it up.
Yeah.
You got a Megan right there.
Me on wing.
You can put Corey on the wing and take the middle. Take the defensive mid.
Okay. But then also Mario, get in the back. Good job.
Come on, Caliente. Loosen that ball.
Morgan, don't chase.
Good job, Corey.
Go, Corey.
Good job, Tyra.
Yes, yes, yes. on. Like JC. Yeah, like Jesse. Go with that, Jesse.
Sunday, go!
Good, Tony.
Jay is.
Dog. You got two?
That's it.
I was gonna ask,
Come on, make them on, not give them.
Take it!
Out of net, yes. Keep going. Just one.
Help her
Just
out,
one.
guys!
okay guys, shake it off.
Let's go on back, ladies.
I know that's it.
Yo creo que la Jackie might be around. Good.
And then they get
You should keep up with those girls. Maybe la Jackie. Pero vamos a meter a la
Come on guys, easy.
You're supporting each other.
Come on, Corey, all the way.
Good try, Corey. Good job. I'm getting frustrated.
Defense will take that.
Like, when I get the ball, for some reason, I don't, like, or like, and then I saw
Hey, that was foul. Where you are?
Wait, and then after I, okay, good job. Because then when I appear and then I pass them and it's the wrong, like, to the D, their D, I get so frustrated. I'm like, I should have just, instead of running it up, I should have just,
Yes, Megan.
Oh, so.
I feel like the inside or the defense
Megan.
like one check. Yeah, and the other goes. I think with this formation, it's so close, and that's necessarily
That's it.
Give her someone.
yeah.
That was totally like, yeah, that's a little cocky.
Up here.
Someone just needs to chip
Come on, ladies and partners. 2-on-1.
I think too, we're only like the one person the other way.
Come on, hurry up, hurry up.
Come on, guys, let's use
Push up,
it.
push up. Oh, shit.
Open up. Give her something easy. Come on, guys, want it.
I know that.
Help her out, help her out. That's yours, that's yours. Good
Good
job.
job.
Good job. Watch out. Win it, win it. Good job. Yeah, Jessie. See, Jess. Come on, Megan. Get back, Mids.
Good job, Jess.
Good job, Jess. Come on, guys. Who's on her? Good job.
Stay on the outside. You got Josh. Josh. Yeah. Otra única en medio. ¿Cuántos minutos tiene?
Oh, do you?
Corey's still running.
Stay with her, Corey. Stay with her.
Good job, Corey. Keep it up.
I know, so fast.
Yes, come on. Caliente. First that ball.
Okay, go now, Morgan.
Morgan, go now. Take the free kick, Morgan. Push up. Caliente. ¿Me viste? Yo creo que está golpeada la cola.
Yeah?
She's toughing it out. I don't want to hurt her. I don't want
Okay, well, tell her to take course.
I don't want to
Laura, take course. Yeah, pizza.
I knew it was that. I always called
No. Tyra, stay. Corey! Corey!
I don't want her to get a further injury. She's young.
Feeling all right?
Yeah. Did it go really far?
I will
Stretch
let
your
you
legs.
look at it.
You good?
Thank you, appreciate it.
Good job, Corey.
Okay, one ball, Caliente. Push that ball. Rusa, miren a su coach.
Come on.
Good job, you got it. Good job, Mo.
Send it.
Yes, Bryce. Good job.
Great pressure. Come on, ladies.
Sophie, take the middle. Sophie, back it up in the box. Strike. Push it.
Good try.
Good job, Colette. Yes.
Good job.
She did well. It's a rugby side. Yes, no? Yeah. ¿Qué tenemos ahora? Megan?
Let's just tell him he's just asking who's been out longest.
Yeah, that's controversial.
You got Breeze on the outside.
Go
Great. I have a few too many scores.
Good try. Good pass, Sam.
Beautiful, Sam. Chusa, ¿quién puedo cambiar? Esta está bien. Para meter a la
It wasn't that bad actually. I know it still hurts. It wasn't that bad. I was really nervous, but
No, but it'd be for next year.
I was nervous too. My sister felt
yes, Sophie! Good job, supporters! I tried really hard not to make the same mistakes that she made. Come on, Sophie, on my side!
Get it!
Get back!
There, ladies, come on.
Yeah.
Josh.
Okay.
Let's finish up.
Freezing.
Come on. Go.
You're not playing. Who's on it? Let's go!